So hi guys again. So for my second part of my review, because I'm selling these two figures, the Pop Sailing Again Luffy and the Pop Sailing Again Sanji. So this one I didn't. I bought this actually for around 80 no around $70 a couple of years ago. So I got this brand new. So first, let's take a look at the box. So the box is not that in mint condition. It's quite old because it's been stuck forever on the store because no one's buying this figure. It's not that famous. I don't know why, but it's one of the like main plain poses of Portrait of Pirates. So maybe that's why it's not that marketable. So here's the box. So this is one's authentic. Here. So closer look of Sanji. This looks good, even though his face is quite pale. You can see the brows and the mustache, as well as the beard. So this looks pretty cool. So I don't know if I can get it to focus. Oops. Here. Oops. You can see even the paint on his fingernails. So this figure is very simple but very detailed. So with it comes with I think two heads. I have to find that one still. So with regard to the cigar, just be careful with this one because you might lose this one easily because it's very small. It's like a dirt or stick. So be careful using this one. So there. So let's take a look at the um, details of this one. It's very simple, just black. It's like Rob Lucci. So with the base, part of Parasailing Again, this back, it's very simple. So I'm just doing a quick review because I'm selling this in an hour. And there, I think I have it covered all the aspects of this one. So if you like this review, please subscribe and like this video and share it as well. Because I'm moving to residence now, so I'm doing a review of Basil Hawkins by Dream Studios later on. Okay. Bye Sanji. Bye. Bye guys.